Job of the day. I think this axle on the passenger side rear got hit because broke the weld on the mount right there. So I'm gonna lift this up, take it off, see what's going on with it. Alright, here's where it's broken. It's broken here, and it's broken on the back side. I know these torsion axles have a bunch of plastic or a bunch of rubber inside, so you don't really want to weld onto these, but in this case they've got one more race of the year and can't get an axle quick, so I'm gonna weld this side and the back side. Just gonna gouge everything out and re-weld it. This side's gouged out. Probably hit a little bit more on it, but let me do the back side first. Back side's gouged out. I'll do a little more before I weld it, but get my welder out, run a bead over the top of that. I got everything set up. It's gouged out. I've got ground on. Just gotta turn my generator on and start burning. I'll weld it out on the front. I'll weld it out on the back. Laid in nice. Everything was gouged out. Came out clean. Grab this jack out of here. It was all flopping when I first put it up in the air, but now it's not flopping. Everything's good. Sweet. Paint that black real fast and then check, rewire the brakes up and then check and make sure the brakes are working. Then we got front free spinning, rear free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Brakes are off. Brakes are off, free spinning. Brakes are free spinning, locked up. Brakes are working, free spinning. Cool. Way out when I was testing brakes, and it does feel like they are. That's a lot better. Let's do the front. I think I put these on like 2 years ago, so don't remember if I did or not. Definitely needs to be adjusted. There we go. Front feels a lot better now. Yeah, way better. Cool. Let's put these tires on. I'm having such issue with this. Come on. Thank you. I got tires on. Brakes are on. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Free spinning. Perfect. Passenger side's on the ground. Do the driver's side, adjust the brakes, make sure everything's good underneath. Take a look at the rear axle. This side's done. I got driver's side up in the air. Get up and underneath and adjust the brakes. I got brakes adjusted. Gonna do one more click. Nice. Probably have to take the tire off the other one because I could barely get to this one. Everything feels good too. Brake adjusted on the front. Putting tire back on. Front free spinning. Rear free spinning. Brakes are locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Free spinning. Perfect. Do a rundown on this. Welded the back torsion mount. I gouged it out, welded it, adjusted her brakes on the passenger side, adjusted on the driver's side. I just remembered that I did not torque the lug nuts, so I'm going to torque the lug nuts. And torquing lug nuts. Passenger side front. Front is done. That's why we torque them. Didn't tighten one. Good. Got the bottom, I need to tighten that one. Why you always torque. Passenger side rear done. On driver's side rear now. Driver's side rear done. Driver's side front done. Perfect. Now this trailer's done. All brakes adjusted. All brakes working. All lug nuts torqued. This trailer's done and I'm on to the next.